How to set full screen photo for incoming calls. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up contact application on a device. Now find the contact you want to update the photo. Now simply tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner. Now select the contact. Then tap on add picture. Now select gallery. Then select the photo. Now place the photo and tap on choose. Then tap on save at the top right corner. Now go back to the home screen. Now open up Play Store on a device. Then tap on search icon. Then tap on the search bar and search for dialer. Then tap on install. Then tap on open. Then tap on OK. Now select dialer and tap on set as default. Now give the permissions. Now go back to the home screen. Now when you receive a call, the photo will be displayed in a full screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.